Hello, brothers and sisters. I want to welcome all of you again to this other important lesson. This lesson is all about the deaf culture, and I want to invite all of you that we give a special attention to deaf culture, because understanding deaf culture means understanding the deaf community. Now, the word culture itself, it means a way of life to anyone. The way you live at your own home, the way I live at my own home, everything I do, everything you do, and anything around you, it forms your own culture, which is a way of life, the way of approaching to things, among other things. Now, when it comes to deaf culture, we simply mean the way of life for people with hearing impairment and its community. That's what we mean by the deaf culture. Now, bearing also in mind that culture is a social belief, behavior, art, literature, traditions, history, and values among groups of people, among people, or individual people. That one define their own way of life. So as I said, this deaf culture, it is our core role as interpreters, as members of the deaf community, to appreciate the deaf culture and be part of it. I want to bring to your attention one thing which is very important, that there are different people, there are different communities in the whole world. There are different tribes, among other things. And every tribe, every race has its own way of life. I want you to understand at this point that the deaf community, being the minority, we people interested to learn sign language, we are the one to adopt their culture, not them adopting our culture. So meaning to say, if you cannot live this way the deaf live, you don't qualify to become a member of the deaf community. So we have to get assimilated to what the deaf do, what they like, among other things, as part of their way of life. So understanding the deaf culture means we are part and parcel of the deaf community. And I want to encourage all of you, brothers and sisters listening to me, that it's not very easy to abandon your own culture and adopt someone's culture. Now, don't force a deaf culture to behave in the manner that a hearing person from the same community, from the same tribe, behave in the same manner. No, it is us who like this culture, the deaf culture, we the interpreters and the family members of the deaf people, that should adopt the way, the manner in which the deaf people live. So if we are willing to live the way the deaf live, then we are appreciating the deaf culture and the deaf community in general. God bless you.